Hey guys, welcome back. Joey again, Vegas D-Tech. Listen, I had to make a last minute update video here. If you guys are interested in the Nokta Makro Multi-frequency detector, I found a couple of new things. I mean, this is new information to me. If you guys are already privy to this and you already know about it, great, wonderful. But hey, for the community out there, if I get information that I've been, that I can find and give you, I'm gonna go ahead and give it. This information I got from Detector, okay, and it's the latest information that I can give you. I'm going to give you an image, okay? I'm going to give you a silhouette image, okay? The silhouette image I actually got from Weird Guy at Park, and I went and took a look to a little bit more, and this is going to be the image, and I'm going to release it to you guys. So if you guys want to see the image of this detector and hear all the news and get the update and the date that it's going to be released, the exact date, and actually be entered in a raffle to win one, okay, I'm going to give you the link to it. So if that information is useful and beneficial to you, you like that, stand by, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're back, okay. The information that I'm going to give you today is going to be about the Nokta Makro Simplex multi-frequency, okay. And if you guys want to go to Detector Australia, the entire breakdown is actually sitting there. But I'm gonna break it down real quick for you, okay? And I'm gonna give you a little image here as to see how it looks like. And let me get that image up. All right, so the image, here it is. All right, this is the best image I can give to you right now. I mean, take a look at that. It looks almost like a combination of the impact and the Simplex together. I mean, if you take a look at that, this Dilek said that it's going to be housed in the same control box, waterproof housing, same housing as the Simplex, okay? So just take a look at that image right there. The housing looks identical. The shaft looks pretty much identical. The only thing, guys, take a look at the underside of the arm cuff. Now, it said that the arm cuff is going to house the batteries and that the batteries are going to be replaceable. Now, they didn't say anything about it being replaceable with like store-bought batteries, or is it going to be a proprietary battery pack that you can just buy and just have 2 or 3 of them on charge and just keep them in your car? But I can only assume, just take a look under the arm cuff there, you're going to see a compartment shadow where they can actually put the battery pack in. And also take a look at the coil. The coil looks more like a Minelab coil. It doesn't look like the traditional coil that came with the stock Simplex. All right. So that right there, my friends, is the best that I can give you as far as an image of the actual product. I'm going to also give you guys a link. I don't know how to do live links, live tap links. Maybe one of you guys can help me out with that, and once I'm able to do that, I'm going to give you live links to where I get my information. You can just click it and go. But for right now, who cares? We're just going to get it done together, okay? So I'm going to, this is the actual link. If you want to register and actually put your email in, I guess on this date that they're going to do the launch, they're going to go ahead and give away, I don't know if it's 1 detector, 3 detectors, whatever, but if you're entered in with a valid email, you're going to be entered in to win 1 for free, okay? So why not? Who knows who's going to win, but there is the link. And I will also have that same link. I'll put it down in the description down below, and you guys can just copy and paste it, right? Copy, and then just go to Google, and then just hit paste, boom, and it'll be right there, and you'll be able to input your information right in, okay? So the screen that you're going to go to is going to look like this right here. All right, there it goes right there. It's going to say SMF Live Launch, November 19th, 2021 at 1800 hours GMT +3. It says tune in live on November 19th, Friday at 6 p.m. There you go, global mean time. 10 a.m. Eastern for the launch of Nokta Makro's new simultaneous multi-frequency metal detector, and get a chance to win one. See, it says get a chance to win one. It didn't say they're just gonna give one away. They're just saying get a chance to win one. So yeah, I'm excited for this, dude. We've actually got a date, November 19th. All right. So anyways, let's get back to this thing right here. I don't know if you guys have actually seen all the hype as to what's going on. It says that the juicy stuff, it's going to be true simultaneous multi-freak. Okay. It says that it claims that the performance will rival and possibly exceed all current competitors. Rival and exceed, bro. Wow, 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 wow. That is absolutely dope. All right. So it says this SMF metal detector will obviously use multiple frequencies. We know that, blah blah blah, all at one time to give accurate target identification, but will also offer a host of single frequencies that can be used stand alone. So not like the multi-frequency that you guys are getting in the Vanquish, that you can't select them individually. No. You're going to be able to individually select them like the Nox. Okay, so Dilek, director of marketing at Nokta, stated in an interview that it will have some features that are going to be better than the competitors. Word. It will have features that are going to be better out there on top of everything that they say that you're going to get. They're going to have some extra features that are even going to kill the competitors. Its performance and depth and out handles at the beach with salt water. It also has some nice features I think the customers are going to like, blah blah blah. The new tech will be wrapped up in a rugged, fully proof housing. It says Dilek mentions that the detector will be sharing the same rugged and waterproof housing currently used by the popular Simplex. I mentioned that already. What else did it say here? It'll be cleverly powered, featuring a replaceable battery pack. Okay, the company has made an interesting choice with the power solution for this detector. They say their new machine will have the battery mounted under the arm cuff. Sweet. How's that going to play in the weight though, man? You know, that's like the old school stuff that you saw that White's had in its last detectors. It had the arm cuff, and all of the stuff was mounted under the arm cuff. But anyways, it says right here that the battery will be mounted under the arm cuff and will be replaceable by the user. Unlike other detectors which need to have the battery replaced by the technician, this means that users can keep multiple spare batteries on hand for out in the field and replace older batteries down the road when needed. Like I said, we don't know if the batteries are going to be store-bought batteries or if the batteries are going to be ones that are provided by Nokta that you can actually smack in that they sell. But that's a great thing to know anyways. It says that the lower shaft will be made from a premium material. Nokta Makro have officially confirmed that the new detector will also come with a carbon fiber lower shaft. What's up, guys? Hi. Okay, so it says that the carbon lower shaft will minimize the already low weight of the detector. So what did it says? It's going to actually come with a true carbon fiber lower shaft. As standard. Sweet. We are currently assuming that the new detector will use the same telescopic collapsible shaft as the Simplex. Obviously, the image that I showed you looked like the shaft was going to be identical to what the Simplex already has in it. Okay. The coil will be completely different to the Simplex coil. Ta-da! We already saw that. I told you that coil looked more like along the lines of the Minelab. Maybe they got the idea and the technology from the Minelab, and they just took it apart, dissected it, and said, "Hey, that's the multi-frequency coil that they're using, and we're going to use something similar to that on ours." Maybe, who knows? It will feature a competitive price tag with competitive specs. It says, although we do not yet have an exact price point for the multi-frequency detector, we do know that the detector will be priced higher than the Simplex. Okay. Hello. So higher than the Simplex means that it's going to be what? It's going to be more than 249 bucks. And it says that it's going to be a high-end machine and is being made to compete with the best current treasure detectors out there. spec to spec, we're going to be offering more for less. Okay, so there you have it. What is the price point? I'm going to put the price point at 700 bucks. 700 bucks. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll be pleasantly surprised if it's below 7. What if it's 699? I'll be happy with that. Okay, now check this out. Headphones. Currently, the Nokta Makro headphones are using 2.4 gigahertz wireless technology, but they say the new headphones are going to be Bluetooth. Okay, so Bluetooth, that's going to be, isn't that the technology that the Minelab is using, the Bluetooth? Okay, so there you go, Bluetooth headphones, and it will come with a true gold prospecting mode. It says, unlike the vast majority of competing metal detectors, the Nokta Makro SMF machine will feature true gold prospecting capabilities. So if you're just going to go out there looking for little nuggets and streams and stuff like that, you're going to be able to use this detector to do just that. Alright, so nuggets. When will this multi-frequency detector be released? Officially, 10 a.m. Eastern, November 19, 2021. The company will be doing live online launch and offering the live viewers a chance to win one of the new detectors. One of the, not just one, but one of the. You can register for the live reveal here. And like I said, there's the link that I'm going to be putting on the screen right here for you. Just copy and paste it, hit it, go in there and register now. Because what's today? Today's the 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 1 week today to actually go and get this thing done. There are many unconfirmed aspects of the new unnamed multi-frequency. Unnamed. It's going to be called the Lightning. Lightning. Do I know that for sure? No. But everything that I've looked at out here, they've used the name Lightning. The Nokta Makro Lightning. I'm hearing this, man. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. But as of this point, you got the silhouette of what it looks like. You've got a launch date and a unconfirmed name of Lightning. Okay? Great. It says that the new detector is designed to compete directly with the current most popular treasure detector, the Equinox 800. It says right there, they designed this thing to compete directly with that. So they took the bar that the 800 set, and they made this detector to compete with it, beat it, and come in under its price. They laid it out there for you guys. Equinox 800 is largely regarded as the best all-around metal detector at this stage because it excels in a huge range of environments on a broad range of targets like jewelry at the beach, ancient coins, and even gold nuggets in the Australian gold fields. We know that the Nokta intends to match or exceed the 800 in performance, so we think it's safe to assume that the company is aiming to make a detector capable of detecting all target types in all environments. Jesus, man, if that don't excite you, for the subpar $700 price point, if it can do all the things that they say it can do, man, we're gonna have a show here, buddy. We're gonna have a showdown, buddy. Yeah. Parks beware. Okay, guys, so in summary, we don't know the exact performance and price point as of yet. We do know that Nokta Makro has history of exceeding expectations, which makes this very exciting. We can't wait for more details about this new machine. You can bet that as soon as the first units land in Australia, we'll be putting it to the test and sharing everything we can as soon as we can. Alright, guys? So anyways, that's everything that I have for you on that. I hope I didn't bore you. I hope this information is exciting. It's exciting to me because I really want to get my hands on one. I know Austin at Treasure Outdoors, he's been telling me he's been wanting to get one of these. And I know that Jeremy over at, Pay Streak Super Freak, I know he's going to want to get one. And I can pretty much tell you, damn near everybody right now that currently likes the Simplex, they're going to get it. You're just going to go in the piggy bank, buddy, and you're going to get that 700 snaps to go pay for this detector. There ain't no doubt. I'm going to have that box right up here. That's right, my feature detector, the box goes right up top. So anyways, guys, I'm going to edit this right now, get it out to you, and that's all I have for you. Thank you again for taking a look at this live update. I'm going to get it in right now, get it out to you. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below as to what you think. Are you excited? Are you going to buy this? Do you want it? Whatever. I respond to all of my comments the following morning when I get up. So yeah, that's it. I'll get back to you guys later. You guys have a good one. Take it easy.